Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Face ID on Citibank. So first, that's not a thing to enable in the website. You will have to do it on your phone. So basically, you'll have to go and download the Citibank app if you don't have it downloaded. And if you have it downloaded, all you need to do, just go and log in into your account. And if you can see as an example, let me just show you this GIF. So as an example, we have here sign in with user ID and we have here sign in with touch ID. Basically, as you can see, so do they provide any face ID? No, they don't. They provide just the fingerprints, which is the touch ID. So, as an example, once you logged in, you find yourself here in the website. You'll have to go to profile at the bottom right corner. Then, once you go and do that, of course, you will have go and click then on Security Center. Once you click on Security Center, as you can see, you will find here a lot of stuff. All you need to do, then go and click on the city like trusted identity. Once you go and click on that, you'll find yourself in this page. And of course, all you need to do here is simply activate this Face ID. But as I said, this Face ID does not mean it will open with your face, but it will open, of course, with the Touch ID, which is going to be the fingerprint. And if they add the Face ID somehow, maybe it's a new thing that I don't know about yet. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.